There has been a huge update in the case of Aubreigh Wyatt. Aubreigh Wyatt was a 13-year-old little girl who took her own life in September after being bullied. Now, the four girls who allegedly bullied her, their families ended up suing Aubreigh's mother, Heather. The families of the four alleged bullies were going after Heather for slander, defamation, and negligence because their four daughters were being severely harassed online. A judge ruled that Heather was going to have to shut down all her social media accounts until she went to trial on July 18th. Well, it does appear that the families withdrew their suit on July 16th, but Heather was still not allowed to have anything on social media until she went to court on July 18th. Well, the judge has now released Heather Wyatt's social media accounts. She is silenced no more. And they have also ordered that Child Protective Services investigate the safety of all the children involved, the four alleged bullies, as well as Aubreigh's siblings. Heather had never named the four alleged bullies online, but of course, detectives on the internet were able to figure out who the four girls were, and they were sending a ton of hate and bullying towards those four 13-year-old girls. The families ended up going after Heather to try to make this stop. Heather, in return, ended up starting a GoFundMe campaign to help pay her legal fees, and it ended up raising $110,000 from the public. The judge also unsealed the case as all the names of the minors have already been leaked online. He said it was extremely unfortunate and these laws are put into place to protect minors. He also made stipulations to all people involved as to their social media postings. There were four stipulations laid out. One, no social media statements implying that anyone involved in the case bullied Aubreigh or that the girls or their parents had any role in her death. Two, no publication directly or indirectly of the names of the parents, their minor children, or details that would identify them. Number three, no harassing, stalking, or threatening of any parties in the case. And number four, their lawyers and law enforcement must be notified immediately of any threat to the safety and well-being of any of the adults or minor children. While the case is now unsealed, the judge did say that any findings from the youth court are going to remain undisclosed for the safety of the minor children involved. In the meantime, Heather is absolutely thrilled to have her voice back. She expressed her gratitude and thanked everyone for all of their support on her social media accounts.